In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the zoom feature from your Wix website, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Removing unnecessary features can help streamline your site and improve user experience. So let's dive right into it. First, make sure you're using Google Chrome, as we're going to open the Wix editor in this browser. While you may use other browsers, Chrome tends to be reliable and ensures smoother performance with Wix. So navigate to your Wix account and open your website in the Wix editor. Once you're in, make sure everything is loaded properly. Now that you have your Wix editor open, the next thing you need to do is locate the Zoom app or widget on your site. Take a good look at the various apps and features on your dashboard. The Zoom tool should stand out as it's an integration many use for scheduling or hosting meetings directly from their website. Once you've found it, give it a click. With the Zoom widget highlighted, you should notice some options pop up. These options might vary slightly depending on your specific setup, but generally, you'll want to look for Settings or Manage. Clicking on either of these will take you to a new menu where you can control the specifics of the Zoom feature. Once you're in the Settings or Management menu for the Zoom widget, look for the option to either disable or completely remove the Zoom feature from your site. The exact wording may vary, but it will generally be quite clear, something along the lines of Remove Feature or Disable App. Select this option. It's as simple as clicking a button and confirming your choice. If you're considering disabling rather than removing, this might be a good choice if you think you may want to use Zoom again in the future without having to reinstall the widget. Now, with the Zoom feature disabled or removed, the changes won't be live on your website just yet. You'll want to save these changes to ensure they actually take effect. So go up to the top right corner of your Wix editor and click the Save button. But we're not done just yet. Saving is one step, but to make sure these changes reflect on the live version of your site, you'll need to publish them. To wrap things up, click the Publish button next to the Save option. This step is crucial as it applies all your recent changes to the live site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed the Zoom feature from your Wix website. Remember, keeping your site streamlined with only the most necessary features is a great way to keep it user-friendly and efficient. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks for managing your Wix site.